Hello and welcome back to GCS Machinery. This is our YouTube channel where we try and give you an insight as to what we do on a daily, weekly, monthly basis in the business. For those of you that maybe have never watched us before, we are farmers, we are machinery hirers, so we hire out a lot of tractors, trailers and telehandlers into the world of agriculture. And we are machinery dealers, we buy, sell and refurbish machinery. So here's an insight into what we do on a weekly basis. Telehandler here being prepared for tomorrow. How you doing, Mark?
Good. Very well, thank you.
Mark is always so polite. So polite. He says thank you for everything. It's quite amazing. It's quite a rare quality these days. You made that look clean anyway, that's good. No, brilliant job. Brilliant job. Look at that. We've got this. Chris has been busy. These are all refurbished. Some this week have already left for Jamaica. And I would film Chris working, but he's on the phone. 4 tanks here, all going to the same customer. All ready, well, nearly ready, got some stickers put on. Concrete beam screeds there. Second one nearly finished. I believe these are both sold, manufactured by GCS. Oh. They're fast tracking an excavator just returning. If you look through the window, Piers doesn't realise, but we were filming him. He's in there busy working away. He's busy. Tell you what, it's nice and warm in his little office there. He does well sitting hiding in there. Our paint shop is busy doing a agricultural machine now. Alan certainly is a whiz with his paint gun. He really is. He does a wonderful job. Lots of work in progress in our building. All being done in-house. In the yard, Chris is persevering with a forklift. Yeah. So, another concrete segment in place. Quick alignment. Instant wall. And we've got a hole dug here. There's a steel girder there we're now going to put in place here. Concrete's all ready, so job's good. Our water is going in. He's up there welding away. We pride ourselves in trying to do as much of our work we can do in-house. And this is our first part of the mezzanine floor going in. We've got a fuel bowser here that's just going into shot blast. And we'll show you more of that the next day, because I think that's going out on Friday. So this is going to be a very quick turnaround of a fuel bowser. Another nice lorry firm in the yard today. One of James Haddington's lorries. Super smart lorry. Very helpful driver. Taking load of our tanks out for a customer. The V8 sounds really nice. James Haddington's truck now leaving. V8. Oh, look at the sound of that. Friday afternoon, just popped down the road to Horncastle, just down the road from where we live, and there's looking at a retirement sale of a local garage. I think probably been here for many years, and they're selling off by auction tomorrow. So we come and had a little look, see what was here and see what there is that would work for us. So have a quick look round.
Calling for Pecs on a Saturday morning. Got some parts to pick up, some machines, and the TM's arrived back at our local depot at Mayhem. Grab my parts in a minute. I'll have a quick squiz around the yard, see if there's anything else I fancy. I'll sort of line up. Oh, I wonder if that 536 is for us. It might be. 532. I wonder if that's sold. Oh, it is a Dual Tech VT, that one. That might be then. Might be for us. 536, 95. Oh, Dual Tech as well. Good. Nice little line up on the front of Pecs here. Gonna have a mooch over here, see what they've got in the yard. 420s.
Another one.
What tyres is that on? 710s. Oh, IF tyres as well. 4220. Now I've escaped to TCH. I think these were the last time Michael was here actually. 3CXs. I'm not really an expert on 3CXs. Telehandlers are more my thing. Let's have a look at this. What's that? 53695 construction spec. Oh, what a Manitou fitment. Oh, nice little digger. Zero tail swing. It's a nice little thing. Nice little JCB dumper. I didn't actually know they did these. And a little roller. Oh, that's cute. More load alls. More diggers. Mini diggers. One of them Be dead handy. I could sit in the living room with that, watching telly, digging a hole in the living room floor. Now, I'm not sure if Mrs. Lake would approve of that, but, be fun. LED work lights on that. We can work into the night. We don't even know how to put the lights on. But I know GCS, the history of GCS started with, well, the 3C Mark II, and this is the latest incarnation of the JCB backhoe loader. It's still the twin sticks in the back. Oh, I can get in a mess with that. Oh, this one's got black wheels. Why's it got black wheels? It's a nice looking thing. Apparently, this is Hall Agriculture's stealth motor. Confused me this morning. Ollie from Hall Ag in stealth mode. Good luck, we'll see you later. Bye, Ollie.
Saturday afternoon in the yard. Everyone's gone home now. Just, I get some work done now. Peace, quiet, tranquility. So, plenty to do. So, I'm busy having a tidy up in the office that Tim and I share. So we thought to think outside the box and put Tim's give up to the door. No, it's not too bad there. It's just time to go through some old files, get stuff sorted. So while the phone's quiet and no one in the yard working, we would get on and get some stuff done. Sunday afternoon. We finished this week. It's a bit dark outside, but caught this week. So, haven't done that much today. Been out and about, just get a few bits and pieces that we needed. But I have tidied up my office. So it's a nice feeling to get it all tidy. So we're all ready for the week ahead. As you can see, look, it's all clean. It's tidy. We're ready. We're ready to attack Monday.